Alright, back for the final design episode here, and I've actually already designed this extruder. It's a double extruder. This is something I was working on just to build it so I could build it. I don't know. But I've actually printed it out, and it actually works pretty good. The only thing I'd done recently, I just got done modifying it because it wasn't quite working like I wanted it to. But I added little catches for the filament here so that when it starts to go through, it'll feed better. Right now, you feed it in there, and then it goes and it kind of gets jammed up. Anyway, so what I did is I just copied it and I grouped it together. What you do is you basically take one object. Here, I'll just ungroup it. Show you what I did. Right now, if I move this around, everything moves with it. And if I move that by itself, it moves just by itself. To parent an object to something, you just select the object you want to parent and the child object basically, and then the parent object is the main object. Then you hit Control P and then set parent to object, keep transform, vertex, vertex, triangle. I usually try to keep object, keep transform, and then you select on the main object, and you can, or the object, the child object, you can move that around still. Then you select the main object, you can move that now. So basically that makes it so you can use that object and rotate it however you want, move it around wherever you want. It's good to go. So got this in Z, top down view, rotate Z90. So you want to have this motor kind of, I'll rotate it 180 on there. And I'm trying to think of something. I thought it was like backwards for some reason. I don't know. That's how it works. So I'm going to move it up here. And you can put this anywhere. You can put it over here, pretty much however you want. But I'm going to position it kind of, because the tube's going to come out here. That's not very long for that. Let's move it all the way down. So I'm actually going to rotate it kind of like that, so it loops up and down. So let's rotate it at say at 150, 1850. Okay, there we go. And I've actually already created the mounts for this, so what I'm going to do is just copy that. Control C, copy. I don't know if it's the same. These are the Cyborg extruders. My extruder is a little bit different. The mounts are very similar. I don't know if it's going to line up or not. We will see though. And I have a much different angle on that. So what we can do is we can line it up to that angle. This is one of those parts that I could show how to design, but it would take a really long time to show how to do that, because it did take me a long time to design it. looks like it does match up good. Okay, so that will work. We can just take these, kind of move it around to where we want it. So that will go up and then down. Kind of a little bit of a longer Bowden tube, but it'll work just fine though, because we'll double print, or double pressure. It's not really double pressure, it just makes sure that if one of them starts slipping, the other one will get it for sure. I actually haven't tested it on an actual printer yet. I'm actually waiting to get my full printer built before I add it to it, but I did print it out and got everything hooked up and all the bolts made, and this is actually the hub bolt that I made. This is what I was making it for, was this exact extruder. And the hub bolts work great. I just moving the gears by hand, because this will rotate, this one will turn this way, causing this one to turn this way, and so the filament is going to run on this side of it here and then the other side of it here. And so that goes there. And there's that. We got all the motors, everything hooked up with that. And make this part. I'm going to change the material. I have this set up for view. Oh, I got this in Blender Render. No wonder why it's not showing right. I got that made. I'll just duplicate that. Set origin to center of mass. Should kind of lined up here. Rotate it. Move it over. And voila. So let's go ahead and make the tube. And to do that, we use a curve. Where did it go? There it is. Size Y0. Move this up here. Thing about working with curves, you kind of have to adjust each one as you go. Move it, rotate it, extract it. Extract, rotate, extract, rotate, extract, rotate, extract, rotate, extract, rotate. Extract, rotate, extract, rotate. Just grab all these, move them over here more. One problem, you have to zoom in, rotate it, zoom out, rotate it. Suppose you could just select it all like that. This is actually going to have to be pretty long because it's got to go the whole distance down, so this needs to be a lot longer than what I have it. So let's go ahead and make sure it's lined up that way there. Make that full. Resolutions, make it up there. Anyway, you can make it a lot more detailed. Let's go on here, just like those. Kind of get the gist of the idea here. Make it a little bit more smooth. But it's going to have to be a pretty long Bowden tube to get all the way down. Kind of got to size them up to make it go correctly. I don't know what happened here though. Turn that off. What happened here? Oh, kink in it. That's not good. If that happened in real life, you'd be kind of SOL. Yeah, you don't want to bend Bowden tube. That's bad. So we got Bowden tube. It's not really a really necessary thing, but we got that, and that. So I guess I want to have two printer build videos because this is going to be this one, and I'm actually going to build this one too. So I have it all built. Once I get the other one built, I'll be able to print all these parts on the one printer. That'll be awesome. The funny thing is I could actually print the cage itself too. I might actually do that. Just put everything in one solid thing and print it. That'd be pretty cool. Anyway, that's pretty much the final design here. I don't know what it will look like if you rendered it out, but I don't see anything. What's the mirror look like? Oh, not the mirror, the camera. Camera can't see anything because the clipping is too far out. And there's no lighting. Anyway, that's it for this one. That's the final design there. I could put all the little screws and everything in for this, but that's just the basic general idea. And thanks for watching.